6 rules for love and relationships. Rule number 1. Without communication, there is no relationship. Without respect, there is no love. And without trust, there is no reason to continue. Rule number 2. Never fall in love with the same person twice. The second time, it's not the person you are in love with. It's the memory of who they once were. Rule number 3. To truly love others, you must first know and cherish yourself. Rule number 4. Love should feel like a home, not a battlefield. Rule number 5. Apologize when you're wrong and forgive when you can. Love doesn't keep score. Rule number 6. Always be honest. Lies might fix today, but they break tomorrow. Follow the right path to keep the relationship for a long time.